rostering his opponent fighting out of the blue corner. He comes in with the white and the green. As a professional, he has an unblemished record consisting of 5 wins, all of those coming by way of knockouts. Fighting out of Houston, Texas, by way of Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing FN, the one and only Choppa.
Gentlemen, the work right here is good. It's good right here. I gave you guys your instruction in the dressing room. I expect a clean fight to set us up at all times. Let's touch up. Good luck to both of you guys.
It is a heavyweight matchup. I'm going to let you know when that man fights FN Choppa, do not blink. Of his 5 professional bouts, 4 of them have been done in the first round. So he likes to bring an end to opponents in quick fashion. And Curtis Robertson has walked out of the ring.
Wait, what?
Cannot believe
I was going to say it before.
He walked out of the ring.
He's not fighting.
He walked out of the ring.